Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. If you are watching my video for the first time, please subscribe to my channel, like my videos and turn on your notification bell so that whenever I post you'll be notified. So in this video I am covering a round cake, a buttercream round cake. At this point I just filled my cake with caramel filling and buttercream. Now I'm trying to sculpt the cake, ensuring that the cake is straight. So I'm cutting out the excess out of the cake. And when you're cutting out excess out of the cakes, you have to be careful. Your knife, you have to place your knife very straight. And this is exactly what I'm doing. Now I've taken off the excess. The next thing is I'm crumble coating it with buttercream. I just finished crumble coating it because I want this video to be short as much as I can. So I just crumble coated. Now I coated my cake, then I use my piping bag to put buttercream on it. I use piping method technique to pipe on my cake. Then now I'm using my scraper to smoothen my cake. I'm smoothing and packing every other side that is not well filled. And the next thing is I'm using design scraper to design on my cake, to form a design on my cake, which is what I'm doing. So I'm feeling the side that is not smooth. Then I will run my comb again round my cake. So the next thing is to use my palette knife to scrape off the excess, to form sharp edge on the top of my cake, which I did by slanting my palette knife sideways and repeatedly remove the excess. At each point I remove the excess, I put it back into my bowl so that I will not take back my excess buttercream on the cake. I won't take it back to the cake. So, and as well, I was using my hand towel to clean off my palette knife before. So that was what I was doing. Then the next thing now is to start piping on my cake. I used royal blue to pipe on my cake with a big star nozzle. But before then, I scraped the excess again. I run my design my design scraper around my cake to ensure that it is perfect. After which I started piping on it. I piped with a star nozzle, a big star nozzle. Then after which I filled the space in between with a smaller star nozzle using yellow buttercream. After which I proceed to piping on the bottom of my cake using the same small star nozzle.